Welcome back everyone. Today I will unbox and make a quick review of these SuperEQ S1 headphones. They were sent to me by the manufacturer and they wanted to know my opinion of them. So let's unbox them first. We have a lot of paperwork in the box. Half of it is in Chinese, I think, but there are English versions as well. You get a quick guide and a user manual with illustrations. In the box we get some accessories, an headphone audio adapter. I have never used them. Also, a USB cable. And here's the bad news. It is micro USB. Come on guys. Micro USB in 2021. Okay, let's proceed with the headphones. In the pouch, you get headphones. They have a matte plastic finish. And the build right away seems up on par with other manufacturers, like Bose and Sony. They have large left and right indicators. The build quality is similar to the Beats headphones, and by the looks of these, I think there is some inspiration taken from them as well. They are flexible and do not feel fragile at any point. You can twist and turn them without no problems. They have a rubberized headband. It feels like there is air in it and not foam, and the plastic cracking sound is kept to a minimum. As usual, I can fold them and pack in my bag. This is a must-have feature for portable headphones.
1 week later.
I do not check the price before my reviews to give you my honest opinion. Only after a week of use, I check how much they cost. Honestly, by listening to the noise cancelling and the build quality, and the sound as well, I thought that they cost over $120. But when I checked how much they cost, I was surprised, because they sell them with a discount for $55 at this moment. Their full price is $99. And after 1 week, I think it's a fair price. Their functionality is great, ANC works as it should, and their sound is a direct competitor to the Beats headphones, because I can hear an additional energy in the bass region. These are great for workout music. The black ones are my pick. I usually like my electronics in some darker tones. They are definitely worth a try. Also, they sell a very nice stand for the headphones, which is lightweight and looks good too. Okay, that's it for today. If you like our quick reviews about audio products, consider subscribing and leave a like. See you in the next videos. Good luck everyone.